Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a student trying to stay organized, study smarter, or just survive 2025 with your GPA intact, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 best apps every student should be using right now. Let's jump in. First up, we've got Notion. This app is a student's dream. You can take notes, plan assignments, organize projects, and even track your goals all in one place. And the best part? In 2025, Notion comes with built-in AI features that summarize your notes, generate study checklists, and more. Whether you're a high school student or in college, this app is a game changer. Number 2 is the classic, but now smarter, Khan Academy. It's completely free and covers everything from math and science to economics and SAT prep. What's new in 2025? AI-powered personalized learning paths and instant feedback on your quizzes. Great for brushing up concepts before exams. Coming in at #3, it's Duolingo Max. If you're learning a new language, this app now uses AI avatars and real-time conversation simulations. It's like talking to a tutor, without the awkward Zoom call. Whether you're doing French, Japanese, or Spanish, it's way more interactive than ever. App #4 is a lifesaver during math homework, Photomath. Just snap a picture of any math problem and it walks you through step by step. Even graphs and word problems are supported now. Pro tip: don't just use it for answers. Use it to actually understand what's going on. And finally, Forest. This app helps you stay focused by planting a tree while you study. If you leave the app to scroll Instagram, your tree dies. REM. It's perfect for Pomodoro sessions and staying off distractions. Bonus, you can even plant real trees with your focus time. So there you have it. My top 5 apps for students in 2025: Notion, Khan Academy, Duolingo Max, Photomath, and Forest. So there you have it, my top 5 apps for students in 2025: Notion, Khan Academy, Duolingo Max, Photomath, and Forest. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Which app are you going to try first? And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a productivity boost. Until next time, study smart, not hard. Peace.